Ooh, nah. I hope y'all ain't forget, man. Hope y'all ain't forget. So I know y'all are eating. Y'all greens, beans, potatoes, tomatoes. Yeah. Y'all know the rest, man. I know y'all eating good out there today, man. But I wanted to bring to y'all a shoe that maybe y'all forgot released this year, man. But this right here is by far. I don't see nothing behind it, bruh. The Jordan 1 of the year. And I got 2 of them. Let's talk about it. YouTube family. What's good, man? I know y'all stuffing y'all face, man. Or y'all might be done stuffing y'all face. Y'all might got the itis. Y'all put up somewhere just laying down, you know what I'm saying, man? Look, happy Thanksgiving to all if you are watching this the day that it releases. Thanksgiving Day, man. Hopefully you all are chilling out, man. Y'all ain't had to work today. And if you did have to work, man, you had a smooth day. They brought food to the job, etc., man. You chilling with family, man. Hey, number positive vibes, man. Thumbs it up, man. Thumbs it up and comment down below, man, what your plate was looking like, man. I need to know what y'all were eating on Thanksgiving, man. Yes, I want y'all to comment that down below, man. How y'all Thanksgiving went, you know what I'm saying? But besides that, if this is y'all first time stopping through, I need y'all to rock out with your boy Jay. Lock in, go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below, and I would truly appreciate y'all for doing that. Like I said recently in my previous video, we did recently hit 149K. The goal for the year, y'all, was 150,000, man. So we are approaching that, man, and it's just a blessing, man, to be hitting these milestones, and I couldn't have did it without y'all, man. So thank y'all for all that y'all do for your boy, man. But yes, Thanksgiving, man, I got something special for y'all. I do have a shoe that we can say it's a Thanksgiving theme style shoe. You know, you can't pull it out on Thanksgiving. And speaking of, I am gonna rock it today, man. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show y'all the fit that I put on with this shoe, you know, excuse me, on Thanksgiving, you know, to go chill out with the fam and all that good stuff, man. But that's not here though, man. Look, tomorrow is Black Friday, but today is Black Thursday. That's what we're gonna call it. Today is Black Thursday, man. Y'all need to look, man. Look, listen to me, y'all. Y'all need to take advantage. Head over to Soul Premise, man. Protect your shoes, man. Look, when I say that, the bags that Soul Premise does offer, it does allow you to store your... Let me show y'all, man. As you can see from the clip right there, man, it allows you to store your shoes in secret compartments, because I say secret, those are very, very discreet. It is a backpack style bag, and it has those shoes tucked in there so perfectly, y'all. No scuffs, no creases, no bends, none of that, man. It is placed in there perfect. It protects your shoes, man. So if you guys are spending $200-300 on a pair of shoes, man, I know you're gonna want to keep them joints safe, man. So if you're moving around traveling, man, it is the perfect item to have your shoes and as well as your clothes and everything else in there, man. It's not only for just going on a trip, like on a plane. You can take that to the gym, which you can take it to a lot of different places, man. And they do have a big sale going on, man. It's Black Thursday. Head over to Soul Premise, use promo code JayTheSneakerGuy. It will save you 50%, y'all. Y'all know I don't be having no 50% coupon codes like that, man, but I got one for y'all today, man. 50% off your order. Use promo code JayTheSneakerGuy, man. Hey, good luck to all of y'all who go out there and grab one of them bags, and people who have grabbed them, man. Let me know how you like your bag, because when I did that before and y'all vouched for the bags yourself, I see more people jumped on them, man. But definitely check it out, man. You have to see that for yourself. Soul Premise, the link is in the description. JayTheSneakerGuy is a promo code, y'all. But besides that, y'all, sneaker of the year talk, man, right? We're ending November, y'all. So with us ending the month of November, it's time to start go ahead and having that conversation about sneaker of the year, man. A lot of y'all are talking Jordan 4 Nike SB Pine green joints. A lot of people are talking these. Others are talking Jordan 3 Reimagines, y'all. Jordan 3 Reimagines. Fire. I'm not mad at y'all at all. I'm not. I love it. I love these two options. This is a good debate, man, but I think we have to throw something else in this mix, y'all. And like I said, man, when I tell people, I'm like, that shoe released this year. They're like, bruh, did that release this year? Yes, it released early this year, man. And we gotta show y'all what we gotta add to this discussion. Appreciate y'all. Bang, y'all. So here we got a package, y'all, man. So your boy had to go over to GOAT, man. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Like, I've been tracking down a second pair of this shoe for months, y'all. I put in a bid. I didn't want to pay what they were going for, so I put in a bid, man, and it lingered around for the longest time, bro. I finally got my bid accepted, y'all. Finally got my bid accepted. When I got my bid accepted, it took like a week and a half, 2 weeks. I got a notification from GOAT saying that your shoe failed authentication or something along those lines. So they said we're in the process of finding you a new pair, man. So all in all, bro, this was like a good almost month and a week process for me to get this shoe, y'all. So I got another pair. They found me a pair, and finally got it, man. I had this shoe for like 3 days now, just not getting to it. Hey, it's Thanksgiving slow day, but yeah, man, telling y'all, bro, this, yeah. So unboxing it. Once I show y'all the box lid, man, y'all already gonna know what time it is. But yeah, man, your boy had to double up on these things, man. And then big sizes, bro, y'all might as well forget about it. The big sizes in these are almost like close to like 2K, almost 2 grand. And my size, this shoe's going for around about 600. You know what I'm saying? So taking out the paper right here, we do got the shoe box. We do got the shoe box, and these did not release in the US. These released exclusively to overseas, man. Y'all see the Jordan box. Y'all see the Jordan box. Now, for those who know, you know. For those who don't know, let me introduce this one the right way. Bang, man. So as you can see, it does have the all over marble box cover, the gold Nike on the top. Size tag on this one reads Air Jordan 1 of the year. It doesn't say that, but retro low OGCNY, man. Color blocking is Palomino metallic gold, man. I went with that good old size Nina, size 9, man. I went with size 9. So this is a double up, man. This shoe is that fire to me. I had to double up on these, bro. And I don't normally double up on shoes that cost this much money. Well, they still cost more than those, I mean, but had to, bro. So lid, as you can see, lot number, you got a rabbit on there. You got a Nike swoosh on the top, all that good stuff. We do got a GOAT sticker on the top, man. This is different though. Don't we normally have like holes punched through it to show what was authenticated? But I guess they're doing something different. Got a QR code on there now for me to scan. So I guess I'm pretty sure that'll tell me the history about the shoe, but that's not here though, man. But paper, you see it, you know what I'm saying? You got the nice little thing, paper right there. And the shoe that I'm talking about that I doubled up on, y'all, Jordan 1 of the year. Comment down below, y'all. What is touching these, y'all? Jordan 1, low, high. What is touching these, y'all? Creativity, color blocking. Man, Jordan 1 low. Year of the rabbit. Bang, y'all. So there we have them, y'all. Of course, white and green sticker right there in the back. All that good stuff, man. But yes, sir, man. Yes, sir. Let me check these joints out. Make sure they sent me. Sent me a nice, crisp, clean looking pair, man. Talk to me down below in the comment section, y'all. What Jordan 1 low / high would y'all put in the argument for this shoe to be the Jordan 1 of the year, man? I'm curious, man. I want to hear what y'all are saying, man. Are y'all even feeling these? Because like I said, hey, I love these, you know what I'm saying? That's why we got the option to choose and buy what we like, man. This is for me right here, man. But let me check my guys out real quick, man. Fire, man. Shout out to the person who took my bid and allowed me to get these joints. Boy, these is A1. Bang, y'all. There we have them, man. I did not even hit y'all with no reviewing on feet to my original pair, man. I planned on doing it. I recorded half of it, but I never finished it. And it's something that I got to, bro. If this is like a potential shoe or a Jordan of the year, man, I gotta hit y'all with the reviewing on feet, man. So I will come back around, spin the block on these, and we will get out a detailed reviewing on feet to these, man. So yes, I'm showing y'all the pair that I just unboxed. So not only do we have one pair, we got 2, dog. Bang! Woo! Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. Had to have these joints, bruh. So let me look and see what we got, man. I want to see what number. These are limited to only 5,000 pairs, man. I want to say the smaller sizes had the more sizes available. The bigger sizes, they were more slim. That's why your bigger sizes are going for such a crazy amount. But the number I got, y'all, is 2641 out of 5,000. 5,000. Now, as you can see, each shoe is individually numbered, and both shoes have the number on the inside, y'all. So that's 2641 out of 5,000, y'all. So, man, definitely love it, man. I love the exclusivity of it. Numbered. My other shoe is, what we got on my other shoe? Let me see real quick, y'all. This is number 2373, y'all. 2373 out of 5,000, if y'all can see that. 2373 out of 5,000, y'all. But yeah, man, fire shoe, man. They do come with a extra set of cream laces, man. Put this up here. Come with an extra set of cream laces. That's the only extra laces that they come with, but I do plan on putting like some pink laces, some brown laces, some red laces. We gonna do some different things with this shoe, man, but definitely my Jordan 1 of the year. It could potentially be my sneaker of the year, man. Like I said, y'all, this has to be added to the conversation for me. I don't know about y'all, man, but these right here, these are definitely debatable for which can be a sneaker of the year. Man, nah, Jordan 1 Low can't be a sneaker of the year. Shh. Hey, they could be a Jordan 1 or a sneaker of the year round here, man. But take a look, man. What we doing, y'all? What we doing? Woo! I like them, bro. I definitely like them, man. Y'all talk to me down below. What is your sneaker of the year, man? What is your Jordan 1 of the year, man? Y'all let me know down below in the comment section. But yes, man, I wanted to unbox these. You know what I'm saying? Show y'all these. This was my Thanksgiving shoe. I rocked these today. My double up. Let y'all check that out real quick. So yeah, I threw them on feet, so it was only right. I said, let me go ahead and unbox them for the fam, man. So yeah, y'all thumbs it up for your boy Jay, man, and let me know, is this one y'all want me to see throw on feet? Show y'all some lace swaps with it, man. But definitely glad I got them. I was hunting this shoe down for a while, and I finally got my hands on a double up, man. So y'all talk to me, let me know. Jordan 1 Low, year of the rabbits. These had to do it, man. Of course, we got some soul protectors on there. We keeping them clean, and we just gonna keep these like in a case or something, man. But that is it. Y'all stay blessed. I will be back at y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna try to hit y'all with the movie to the I'm a year Dawn Dust joints. I'm gonna try to hit that out for y'all tomorrow, man. So stay tuned. My bad, I was absent yesterday, but I'm back, man. We back in full effect. Hope y'all enjoyed y'all Thanksgiving. Y'all be blessed. Enjoy with y'all family. Take advantage of Soul Premise, y'all. We gone. Peace.
Jay making movies. Swap it out, sing, don't shoot it. Sauce with the drip, extra groovy. Jordan 1s cost more than your Gucci. Plus I doubled up, shot it, so sue me. You can say I'm in my bag, no Louis. Greatness in my jeans, no Truey. It be bangers only, I'm reviewing. Bangers on bangers, I'm popping now. Jay on no roll, ain't no stopping now. Whip out them laces, we